Welcome to Best Buying Report. The best USB-C earphones are probably one of the most versatile audio accessories you can get for your modern smartphone, offering a direct digital connection that bypasses the need for a DAC and delivers crisp, clear sound without any analog interference, making them an excellent choice for audiophiles and casual listeners alike who want to experience their music, podcasts, and calls with unparalleled fidelity and convenience, especially as more devices move away from traditional headphone jacks. Number 5. TESSAN European Travel Plug Adapter Converter. Never worry about charging your devices again when traveling abroad. This universal adapter is your perfect companion for international adventures. Explore over 30 European countries with confidence. This adapter is designed to work seamlessly in most destinations, ensuring you stay connected wherever you go. Power up to 4 devices at once, including 2 USB ports. Keep all your essential gadgets charged and ready for use, whether you're in an airport, hotel, or dorm. Experience optimal charging speeds with our smart USB ports. They automatically detect your devices and deliver up to 2.4A, perfect for phones, tablets, and more. This adapter is incredibly lightweight and compact, easily fitting into your pocket or bag. Its simple, cord-free design makes it cruise ship approved and a breeze to pack. Designed for global use, it supports 100V to 250V wide voltage devices. Just ensure your high-power items are dual voltage compatible for a smooth experience. What we like. This adapter is perfect for travelers needing to charge multiple devices simultaneously. If you're heading to Europe and need to power up your phone, tablet, and camera all at once from a single outlet, this is your ideal companion. Its compact design makes it easy to pack without taking up much space. What people say. It's nice and compact for travel too. The convenience of USB ports plus conversion to US outlets was a great help all over the UK. Build quality is amazing, works well with just about everything I have. Number 4. LUDOS Ultra USB-C Headphones. Experience seamless audio with our USB-C headphones, designed to work with a vast range of devices including the latest iPhones, iPads, Samsung Galaxy phones, and more. If your device has a USB-C port, these earbuds are for you. Dive into your audio like never before. These earbuds deliver an incredibly immersive sound experience, bringing your music, movies, and games to life with stunning detail and clarity. Enjoy extended listening sessions without discomfort. Built with a robust design and a long cord, they are made to last and provide a comfortable fit for hours on end. Stay connected with superior call quality. The integrated microphone ensures your voice is heard loud and clear, with zero delay, making them perfect for important calls and meetings. These earbuds are the result of extensive development and rigorous testing by audio experts. They deliver crisp highs, deep bass, and a balanced sound profile that audiophiles will appreciate. We stand by our quality with a comprehensive 5-year warranty. Plus, our dedicated customer support is available 24/7 to assist you with any questions or concerns. What we like. Experience your audio like never before with these high-fidelity earbuds. If you're looking for a comfortable, durable pair of USB-C headphones that deliver exceptional sound for music, movies, or gaming, and come with an impressive 5-year warranty, these are an excellent choice. They are also great for crystal clear calls. What people say. The sound quality is amazing and rich. The microphone works well, I haven't heard any complaints. The sound quality is good for everyday use, clear audio with decent volume for music, videos, and calls. Number 3. Ceptics 35W Universal Travel Adapter Kit. Never worry about charging your devices again. This universal travel adapter kit provides power for all your essential electronics, no matter where your adventures take you. With multiple USB-A, USB-C, and PD35W ports, it's perfect for your laptop, phone, and camera. It supports charging for devices worldwide, ensuring you stay connected. Designed for travelers, this adapter is ultra-compact and lightweight, easily fitting into your bag. A travel pouch is included for convenience on the go. Keep your valuable electronics safe with built-in surge protection. The voltage indicator clearly shows if you're using 110V or 220V, so you can charge with confidence. This kit includes adapters for Europe, the UK, China, Australia, Japan, and more. It's compatible with outlets in most of Europe and Asia, making international travel a breeze. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year limited warranty. It's designed for worldwide voltage compatibility, so you can focus on your journey. What we like. This is the ultimate power solution for the modern traveler. If you need to fast charge your laptop and phone simultaneously, while also protecting your devices from power surges, this adapter kit is a must-have. It covers a wide range of countries and includes a handy USB-C cable. What people say. The sound quality is surprisingly good for the price, with clear highs and decent bass. The USB-C connector fits snugly and doesn't feel loose, ensuring a stable connection. They are very comfortable to wear for extended periods, even during workouts. Number 2. iMangoo USB-C headphones. Experience seamless audio with these wired earbuds, designed to work with a vast range of USB-C devices. From the latest smartphones to tablets and laptops, they offer broad compatibility. Never worry about tangled cords again. These earbuds feature a smart magnetic design that allows them to neatly store and prevent tangling. They can even hang around your neck when not in use. Crafted with premium materials, including metal-plated connectors, these earphones are built to last. The reinforced Type-C plug ensures durability through frequent use. Enjoy crystal clear, high-resolution audio thanks to the built-in DAC chip. Experience pure stereo sound with rich bass, free from distortion or buzzing. Manage your music and calls with ease. The integrated remote control allows for play, pause, and skipping tracks, while the built-in microphone enables clear hands-free conversations. Designed for extended wear, these earbuds come with anti-fall ear tips for a secure fit. A convenient carrying case is also included for easy storage and on-the-go listening. What we like. Keep your audio experience tangle-free and high-quality with these magnetic USB-C earphones. If you appreciate a neat storage solution, a durable build, and excellent sound reproduction thanks to the built-in DAC, these are perfect for you. They're also great for workouts and daily commutes. What people say. The sound quality turned out to be very satisfying, and I'm also very pleased with the volume control buttons and the microphone. Regarding design, it looks very similar to Apple's earbuds, which gives it a sleek and familiar style. Good sound quality and bass, plus I've run into an issue where some earbuds, like the Apple earbuds, just don't fit perfectly into the device's port and feel loose. This one fits perfect and stays put. Number 1. JSAUX USB-C to 3.5mm headphone adapter. Easily connect your USB-C devices without a headphone jack to your favorite headphones, speakers, or other audio devices. Enjoy your music and calls seamlessly. Experience high-fidelity sound with our smart DAC chip. It ensures stable, lossless audio at up to 16-bit 48 kHz, preserving the original quality of your music. Designed for durability, this adapter features a strain relief design that withstands over 15,000 bending tests. Its shielded wire ensures a stable signal, day after day. This adapter works with a vast range of USB-C devices, including the latest iPhones, Samsung Galaxy phones, iPads, and Pixels. Connect to virtually any device without an audio jack. Control your music playback and calls with the function keys on your headphones. It's the perfect solution for listening to audio on modern devices. Please note that microphone functionality for Apple EarPods and volume control may not be supported on all devices. Also, it's not compatible with OMTP or TS devices. What we like. This dongle is the perfect bridge for your audio needs. If you have a USB-C device without a headphone jack and want to use your favorite 3.5mm headphones with high-quality sound, this is the adapter for you. It ensures a stable, lossless audio signal and supports call and volume controls for most devices. What people say. The charging speed remains consistent when used with supported devices, and I haven't noticed any drop in performance while listening. It's very portable, small enough to keep in a pocket or bag without getting in the way. The durability is impressive for this compact adapter. The connection feels sturdy and not flimsy like some cheaper options. It handles both audio and charging smoothly from a single power source, which makes it extremely convenient for everyday use. The sound is much fuller and more rich than when I use the headphone jack on my Lenovo tablet. It works like a charm on my Samsung phone. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.